Villas with amazing pools. Make a splash on your next vacation in one of these amazing swimming pools. From pools with spectacular views to kid-friendly options with their own water slides, check out our favorite villas with pools at Reunion Resort in Orlando, Reunion 875. With its built-in sun loungers and spillover tub, it's no wonder this villa's pool is a hit with vacationers. There are plenty of places for chilling out, whether you want to laze by the pool, soak in the hot tub, or cook up a feast in the poolside kitchen. Reunion Resort 991. Take a dip in this huge infinity pool, and you'll be treated to some gorgeous golf course views. Around the pool are plenty of sun loungers, as well as a shaded area for breaks from the hot Florida sunshine. You'll feel like you've stepped into a luxury spa when you relax in the bubbling hot tub and enjoy the calming water features. When you get out of the water, there are a number of places to relax, including an outdoor lounge area, a fully equipped summer kitchen, and a large balcony overlooking the pool. Reunion Resort 1200. This Orlando villa boasts some seriously impressive spaces both inside and out. There's a huge outdoor living area right next to the pool, so you can maximize your time out in the sunshine. And when you're ready to make a splash, the sparkling pool waters are waiting to welcome you. Take in the golf course views, sunbathe on the luxury sun loungers, and enjoy cozy evenings around the outdoor fire pit. Reunion Resort 12,000. You'll feel like you're in your own tropical oasis when you relax by this lagoon-style swimming pool. Fringed by swaying palms, it features its very own water slide and lava rock waterfall. For dining al fresco, there's an outdoor kitchen and large dining area. You can also chill out in the hot tub or at the swim-up bar. Reunion Resort 2000. This vast 12-bedroom mansion is located in a huge plot just 6 miles from Disney World. It boasts thousands of feet of luxury living space and is jam-packed with family-friendly amenities. Outside, the pool comes complete with a spillover tub, a fun pool slide, and a sunken bar with underwater seating. You can unwind with a tasty cocktail and soak up beautiful views of the surrounding golf course and woodlands. And for those feeling peckish after a dip, there's a barbecue and plenty of seating for outdoor dining. Reunion Resort 900. Kids will love the pool at this amazing 9-bedroom villa. They can float around the lazy river, squirt each other with water cannons, and delight at the colorful underwater lights that switch on at night. You'll also find a spacious shaded lounge with an alfresco dining and bar area. Inside, there's a home theater, 2 fun-packed game rooms, a gym, and enchanting wizard and princess-themed bedrooms. Reunion Resort 10. If you're looking for a pool with some serious wow factor, then look no further. This huge vacation home has one of the most luxurious swimming pools in the entire resort. The outdoor terrace epitomizes everything about this villa, from the beautiful views to the cutting-edge design. Tropical cabanas, tranquil water features, and the show-stopping infinity pool combine to create a stunning space for rest and relaxation. There are numerous seating areas for alfresco dining, and the villa's rear doors slide away to allow for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Reunion Resort 15,000. This unbelievable 15-bedroom villa is more like a luxury resort than a private self-contained villa. Outside, you'll find a series of multi-level pools, edged by swaying palms and lush gardens. Lazy days can be spent sunbathing on sun-drenched terraces, playing outdoor games, or seeking shade in any one of the outdoor lounges and dining areas. Tempted to book a villa in Orlando? Book with Top Villas and you'll get luxury accommodation at great prices. You'll also benefit from amazing round-the-clock customer service, plus access to a wide range of travel extras such as car hire, attraction tickets, or help with arranging a special experience.